So gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na sad si Madam today. So yan guys, for information guys, ang fish market dito ay air condition. Ito yung baka may shawarma sila. Tingnan natin. So may shawarma kayo? I don't have jacket and Umi also there's no jacket.
I'm a kid. Bye.
Nawala yung namin, yung business page at saka yung mga page namin na ginagamit na nakikita nyo kung saan nagpo-post kami ng mga video at mga happy moment. Good shawarma, go bad shawarma. Very good, ha? Hello everyone. So yan guys, another day, another weekend. So magbababike tayo uli. Yan, kasama ko si La Ishan at saka si Madam. So yan. Dito lang as usual dito sa dito sa street ng Dubai. So yan, may gusto lang akong pakita sa inyo guys, itong bike natin kung paano natin sinisit up dito. Yan nakahang lang dyan sa wall. Alam mo dito kasi sa Middle East guys, medyo maliliit yung mga bahay, so wala tayong space masyado para paglagyan ng bisikleta. So ang ginawa natin, yan, as nakita natin sa iba, nilalagay nila yung bike nila sa wall. So sinitap natin ng ganyan. So yeah, before tayo magbike, tanggalin muna natin. So yeah, let's go.
It's so cold here in Dubai. This is the first time I wear jacket while biking in like 1 or 2 years.
You wear jacket, but I don't have jacket and Umi also there's no jacket.
Well, I'm a kid. Bye.
Why there is no energy today? Look like very slow biking.
I go down in the pedestrian
And then
I walk. I drive like walking.
you bike or you walk?
I walk maybe and biking in the middle.
La. Pupunta tayo ng fish market kasi matagal na wala na tayong isda. So bibili tayo ng mga about 14 kg na isda or 15 kg siguro. Mostly 20 kg.
Fish.
Fish? You like fish? This guy he don't like fish.
I like dying because I make it.
Dito sa Dubai, iba yung mukha ng isda dyan sa inyo. So panoorin nyo. So gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na sad si Madam today. And we are very sad also. Sa akin, I'm very sad dahil nawala yung namin, yung business page at saka yung mga page namin na ginagamit na nakikita nyo kung saan nagpo-post kami ng mga video at mga happy moment. So na-hack yung account niya. So yung control namin dun sa page nawala, and isa sa pinakamasakit na araw na nangyari sa amin yung nawalan kami ng page. Kasi yung business page dun, yung film collection, talagang isa yun sa mga pinagkakitaan natin. Isa sa mga source ng income natin, pero yun nga, nawala siya, and napakasakit. But minsan sinasabi bilang Muslim, Islam, minsan daw pag may nawawala sa'yo, hindi ibig sabihin nun na masama yung nangyayari doon. Ibig sabihin nun na mas makakabuti sa'yo yun. So yun lang ang pinangawakan natin. Yun yung, kaya ito yung pinaka sa point na to, sa mga pangyaring ganito, doon lumalabas yung pagiging Muslim, pagiging Islam natin, dahil naniniwala tayo kung ano yung nangyayari sa atin, it's from God, and yung qadar na tinatawag. So malungkot tayo, but at the same time we are happy dahil instead of that na nawala sa atin, baka may mga mas mahalagang bagay pa na pwedeng mawala sa atin. And what to do is, when you feel down, you have to get up. You feel down like 10 times, get up 15 times. So that's we have to do. So again, we are going to build new page for our business, film collection, and inshallah it will come again. And yeah, so yan, kung napanood nyo tong video na to, help us by going to film collection FGC UAE. So yan.
Hey guys, that is the opposite side where we will go to the waterfront market.
Oh, galing mo vlog ah. Sige.
It's dear. It's under recommendation. Yan yung tawag dito, fish market yata yun, nakalimutan.
Hindi pa namin sorry, kalimutan.
Ayan si Lulu, nandun sa my fish market. Kasi yan siya, parang mall na siya. Ayan. Ito. Ay, sorry. Ng Bisaya. Now we're going down. This is the underground fish market where we will park our parking.
I didn't know the fish market was underground.
Okay, now we're going down slowly. Okay.
Like concentrate.
Like concentrate. And then now, I think so there are more parking. Now, the people are sleeping.
Look at the parking. Tell them the parking is too huge.
The parking is too huge. More cars also are there parking. I don't know from where
This
they
is
are.
how Dubai fish market. This is very advanced.
And there is park also for the bike. Next time we will come here by bike. Okay? And then we will bring pack bag. We will put the fish at the back.
So yan guys, andito na tayo sa fish market. Kaya lang ang problema ay bawal tong camera na to gamitin sa pag-vlog. So nag-switch tayo gamit ang mobile. Yan, so dito yung lugar na to guys. Dito yung mga alive crabs, alive shrimp, alive fish. Napakalaki nila yan. Kikita nyo yan. This one, 2 kilo 25. 2 kilo 25. Where are you from? From where?
Here, local.
You're from where?
Pakistan.
Pakistan, Sinjabad.
No, only 20.
Okay, how many kilo?
Only one.
It should be 15 only. So guys, ito yung
Big. It is big.
pusit. Look at that. Pusit medyo okay pa siya.
Kilo is
And we have matambaka.
45, huh?
This one is good for drying, you know. This one.
What's it called?
Matambaka. This is matambaka, yeah?
Asa.
Asa, sorry. So yan guys, for information guys, ang fish market nito dito ay air condition. Air condition siya. Pagpapasok ka dito, may aircon. So yan, pero yung amoy talagang andyan, pero usually naman sa fish market may amoy talaga, pero naka-aircon siya eh. Ito yung section dito na naglilinis ng isda. Tingnan mo sa loob, napakalawak niya. Andito ka magpapalinis at bibigyan ka nila ng number, makikita mo yung number mo dito sa screen. Yan. How it is? Good system? But you're making money also for the system. How much you spend for today's fish market?
125.
125 dirhams, it's about 1,300 to 1,400 pesos. I think nasa 14 kg lahat, no? Nasa 14 kg lahat yung kinuha namin, nasa 1,400. So, mura na, nakamura na tayo. Itong tulingan guys, yellowfin, nasa
Hindi tulingan, yellowfin.
yellowfin, nasa
Guys, we got
30.
We got
No,
4.
25 only.
30. He added one.
Okay.
Guys, we got 4 yellowfin for only 30 kilo. The prop,
30 dirhams.
Credits to the old man guy there.
Okay, we'll go back there to that old man. Gagaling ko lang magpaayos ng ngipin yan. Medyo pinaayos natin tong ngipin natin para maganda naman yung position kasi iba't iba yung direction eh. So yan, katatapos lang natin. And ngayon, ang gagawin natin is pauwi na tayo. But before that, maghanap muna tayo ng magandang pwede kainan ng shawarma. Maghanap tayo. Yan, I think dito sa lugar na to baka may shawarma dito. Yan, sa part na to. Yan. Ito yung baka may shawarma sila. Tingnan natin. So, let's see if they have shawarma. Yan, ito yung isa. May shawarma kayo? Shawarma? Wala. Wala silang shawarma. So, maghanap tayo ng ano guys. Wala silang shawarma dito. So, brother, you have shawarma? Good shawarma or bad shawarma? Very good, ha? Yeah, give me one shawarma and one karakchai. So, let's try. No, normal. So, guys, this is their shawarma. So, this is how they are doing shawarma. Yan, guys.
Connected with device or alone?
Ah?
Connected with device?
No, alone. This mic. Why, you want to make vlog? You're planning to make a vlog? Why not? Make vlog and show them how they are doing shawarma, how you're making. Why? No, I will eat. I think here, yeah, I will eat here. So yan guys. So nandito na yung shawarma natin, look at that. Yan. Where is karakchai? No karakchai? Karakchai dia. So yan. Ito yung shawarma natin. Yan. So yung wrap pa lang nila makikita mo na ano eh. Professional yung dating kasi maganda yung pagka-wrap at saka parang medyo crunchy to at saka may ano pa siya eh. May add-ons na itong chip instead of pickles. Lang kancing-kanchi yan. So, unang bite natin. Yeah, super sarap ng shawarma nila. Talagang, paano mo ma-judge kung masarap yung shawarma? Ako pag naghahanap ko ng shawarma, yung ano siya eh, medyo may pagka-juicy, look at that. Pag titingnan mo, talagang marami yung, either ilalagay nila yung mayonnaise or something like that. Medyo juicy siya ng konti, kaya yun yung nagbibigay ng ano, nagbibigay ng sarap. At saka ito malaman, marami talaga siyang nilalagay na chicken, hindi kuripot kumbaga. Kalimitan kasi yung iba, maraming fries, kunti lang yung chicken, kaya look at that. Ito yung mga pickles nila, look at that. Medyo hindi man siya ganun ka-spicy, pero try natin. Woo! So guys, all in all, isa siya sa pinaka masarap na shawarma na nakainan natin. So yan.